Chapter 1. The Mysterious Door. Hello, my name is Emily. I live in a small town with my mother and my little brother, Jake. Our house is old but beautiful. There is a big garden, but one part is always locked. One day, I walk near the old wooden door. It looks different. There is a small keyhole, and I see something shining inside. I try to push the door, but it does not open. Mom, what is behind this door? I ask. Mom smiles. It is a secret, Emily. Maybe one day you will know. A secret? Now I am very curious. I need to find the key. Chapter 2. The Lost Key. The next morning, I start looking for the key. I check the kitchen, the living room, and even the attic. But I find nothing. Jake sees me searching. What are you looking for, Emily? He asks. A key, I say. A small old key. Jake smiles. I saw something shiny near the big tree. Maybe it is the key. We run to the big tree. I look near the roots and, yes, there is a small golden key. I take it and run to the mysterious door. Chapter 3. The Secret Garden. My heart beats fast. I put the key in the lock and turn it. Click. The door opens slowly. Inside, I see the most beautiful garden. There are colorful flowers, tall trees, and a small fountain. Birds sing and butterflies fly everywhere. It looks like a magic place. Wow, Jake says. This is amazing. Mom comes and smiles. This was your grandmother's secret garden. She loved it very much. Now it is yours to take care of. I feel so happy. Now Jake and I have a special place to play and explore. The secret garden is no longer a mystery. It is our new favorite place.